Tossing out your extra cable boxes doesn't mean losing your favorite channels. The Xfinity Stream app is more powerful than ever, allowing you to turn almost any smart TV or streaming trick into a full-featured cable box. So first, see if your TV supports the native app in this year. Xfinity Stream app is preloaded or available on most Samsung and LG and also Zumo TVs. If you have an Android TV or Vizio Smartcast model, you can find it directly in your device's app store. If your TV isn't on the list, don't worry, you can still use a Roku, Firestick, or Apple TV 4K. Navigate to your TV's app store and search for Xfinity Stream. Select Install and wait for the download to complete. Once finished, launch the app from your home screen. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen. Click on Sign In to generate your unique activation code. An alphanumeric code will appear on your TV, and on your phone or laptop, go to Xfinity/authorize, enter the code exactly as shown, and log in with your ID and password. Many newer TVs also display a QR code. Simply scan it with your phone's camera or auto-link your account without typing a single letter. Alright, and this is the most important part. So to see your full channel lineup, your TV must be connected to your in-home Xfinity Wi-Fi. If you're using the app at a friend's house or a different network, you'll only see a limited section of TV Go channels. Ensure your Wi-Fi signal is strong, at least 25 megabytes for HD and 50 for 4K. And if you're staying in a hotel or have an older TV, use casting. Open the Xfinity Stream app on your phone, tap the cast icon and select your TV from the list. And just like that, you've got the cord on those bulky boxes while keeping all your live TV. If this Xfinity setup guide helped you get the big screen experience for free, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell.